Hello viewers, welcome back to Drive Safe Now. Today we are going to discuss another chapter of safe and responsible driving, which is using indicators, signals of your car, to ensure that we are safe, and so the other road users. Before we start, please make sure you have subscribed our channel and press the bell icon to receive notifications. Indicators inform other drivers what you want to do, so they can make adjustments accordingly. Use your indicators and brake lights to signal before turning, changing lanes, slowing down, leaving the road, or coming out of a parking area. Give the correct indication well before your maneuver and ensure other drivers can see it. Check that the way is clear before you act. Giving indication does not mean the road is clear. Driving through intersections crossings. Slow down as you get close to intersections and look carefully for traffic, signs, yield sign, stop sign, traffic light, constable manning the crossing, cyclists and pedestrians. There are two main types of intersections: controlled intersections, uncontrolled intersections. Controlled intersections. Controlled intersections have traffic signals, roundabout, yield signs, or stop signs to control traffic. If you get green signal, drive carefully through the intersection at a steady speed. There would be an amber signal between green and red, and not the other way round. If the signal has been green for quite some time, you should get prepared to stop if it turns amber. If you have crossed the stop line when the signal gets amber, drive through the intersection with caution. When the signal turns red, bring your vehicle to a complete stop. Move again only when the red signal turns green. Many signals have timers to make road users aware about signal transitions. In case there are less than 5 seconds of green signal left, try to safely stop your vehicle before the stop line. Do not inch your vehicle forward as the red signal timer counts down. Slow down or stop at yield sign and wait for the way to get clear before you drive through the intersection. Bring the vehicle to a complete stop if you face a stop sign. Drive through the intersection only when the way is clear. Uncontrolled intersections. Uncontrolled intersections have no signs or traffic lights. They are usually found in areas where there is less traffic. Be cautious while going through intersections.
Roundabout. Before entering a roundabout, you must indicate a left or right-hand turn for at least 5 seconds if you intend making a turn from the roundabout. When leaving a roundabout, whether you are turning left, right or going straight ahead, you must always indicate when you are about to exit. Roundabouts are a significant subject on their own, and we'll delve into the details in our upcoming video. Thank you for tuning in. We trust that this video will enhance your understanding and contribute to a safer driving experience. Thanks again, and stay safe on the roads.